Go ahead, pick a number. This is Brian Pilling from the training department at Stampin' Up, and I'm here to show you how this fortune teller from your youth, or from your children's youth, can be turned into this fun fortune teller party favor or gift. It's all about the folding, so let's go ahead and get started. I am using a piece of paper from our Sunny Garden Designer Series paper pack, and I've cut one of the 12 by 12 pieces into 4 6 by 6 pieces. And the first thing I'm going to do is just fold it in half. And what this allows me to do, I'm not actually going to use this fold, but this is going to be a visual for me for the subsequent folds I'm going to make. So then I'm going to start in any corner, and using this fold as my guide, I'm going to fold this side of the paper down so that it reaches the middle. And then I'm going to do that 4 more times all around the paper until I have something that looks like this. Now the next thing I want to do is I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to fold this piece of paper in half, and again, this is going to become just a reference point for me. I'm going to flip that over, and I'm going to just choose any corner and fold each corner in, just like that, until I end up with a piece that looks like this. Our folding's almost done now. Final fold, we're going to fold it in half. And then the paper's going to be a little bit stiff, but we're going to kind of work our fingers in there a little bit and just kind of move back and forth. And now we have our fortune teller shape. Turn that over. You can kind of pinch it together a tiny bit, and you have the bottom of your little gift basket. So the next thing we want to do is add a handle just to decorate that up a little bit. So I'm going to use our dotted scallop ribbon border punch, and I'm going to use one of those 6 by 6 pieces I have so that I can punch along the seam right there and end up with a 6-inch long handle for my basket. And I'm going to dress it up a little bit. I'm going to use some of our bitty buttons. You can choose any of the shapes. I'm going to choose this little floral clear piece, and I'm going to adhere that to my handle with glue dots. And I've also tied on just a little piece of linen thread just to decorate that up a little bit right there. Using glue dots, I'm also going to adhere this to my basket. One thing I've done, and this is optional, is I wanted to soften the edges of this a little bit. So using our small corner punch, I've just gone into each edge of the basket and rounded them out a little bit. It just kind of gives it a softer finish. Now, to finish the tag, or to finish the handle, I've added a little tag using a stamp from our itty bitty stamp set. So what I've done is I've taken the hello stamp right there, and using 2 of our markers, I've colored the flower with Daffodil Delight and the hello with some Poppy Parade. I've stamped that onto some Whisper White cardstock and punched it out using our medium jewelry tag. And then with our handheld punch, I've just put a hole right in the top of the punch right there and adhered that to our little fortune teller treat basket with some linen thread. So go ahead, pick a number, have a fun party favor or a little treat gift to give one of your friends. Thanks, everybody.